Hello everyone on YouTube, Car Wash in Rotherham here, and today I'm at Morrisons in Bramley. This man, I don't know what the heck he's doing. He's got out a midlet car wash. Oh, my friend's Cole's here. I didn't know it were a lady. Didn't notice. I thought it were a mister then. So this is a red car in the car wash. That's what. That was a bit silly. Anyway, here we go. Uh-oh, this is a $6.99 wash. No, it's not. I thought it was $6.99 to me then, but no. I didn't notice. I think it might be $2.99. I do apologise for that. I was confused then. I've just been through this. I've got the $4.99. It be on the Morrisons TV channel. Came to this today to revisit because the old camera, well, I did it last June, it was a bit of a bad quality, so I'm now filming it on my phone. Now I'm parked here outside the petrol station because my auntie has gone into Morrisons because I'm going to their house up here, and also this is my auntie's local car wash. Really expected, didn't it? And then also went to their house for a dinner today. I think it's $2.99, I think. This is my auntie parks here for me, so I can see any cars goes in car wash. I haven't done really, this is my first car wash here. Because I've been too busy early at the start of here. So I need to think about next car wash. Next car wash for Car Wash's TV channel is gonna be Texaco in Ford Tesla, which is a brand new car wash, which is Wash Tech, Soft Care, Pro Classic. Oh no, my auntie's back. Sorry for cars that keeps coming past or whatever.
Hello.
Hello.
You hungry, love?
Oh my god, there's another car just come round corner for the next car wash.
Oh my god.
I don't know what's... It's that red car just been in now. It's the... I don't know what car it is coming in next. It's the white car.
Can I get in?